Hi guys, how are you doing? So, thanks for joining me today. I'm doing some trellis for my veggie patch, just right behind me here. I need something for my beans, and yeah, just wanted to show you how I do it. I've got more projects to do today, so let's get into it. All the materials what I'm using here are recycled or remainings from other projects. So you see here just right now the iron mesh what you usually use for concreting. This is from a cycling center. Yep, I'm measuring here the distance, the width of the tray. The fork is just good enough for it. It works, so what? Yeah, and here the mesh, it's from the last project. It's actually from the chicken coop, the remaining mesh. Got the width right, and now getting the first side. It's got a little wires here at the end, the mesh, so getting it into place. Here, you're getting the fork again, so the mesh stays in place, and the second fork, so it's good to have two forks. If you don't have two of them, you have to think about something different to secure it. Yeah, here the scissors for the wire. So cutting what I need. That's it. Now the other side, doing the same. So just getting the little wires and like twisting them around the mesh. So I've got a soft wire here. This is also a wire from the chicken mesh. When we bought it, the roll was wired with it together. So of course we kept it, and now I can use it. So cutting pieces off and twisting it together with the mesh and the thick mesh with the wire. Twisting it around. This is a really simple trellis, so I hope you don't expect me to build something really very professional. it had to go quick. I wanted a simple and quick solution, and this is what it is. So yeah, getting it into place and securing with some bamboo sticks. Now getting the rope. So securing it into place in few different places, so it stays there where I need it. Just a simple and quick solution. It's located on the west side of the veggie patch, so it will also, when the beans grow, it will protect it from the sun, the veggie patch. And yeah, this is how it is. Now I can put my seeds in and watch it grow. I hope you like it. If you do, please put a thumb up, subscribe, and click on the little bell so you get always notifications, and share it with your friends and family. They may like it as well. Thank you. Bye.